How to add an app back to home screen iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Now, swipe to find the app that you want to remove from here. For example, CapCut. Press and hold that app. Here, select Remove App at the top. Then, tap on Remove from Home Screen. This will remove the app from the home screen but will keep the app in your app library. Now, swipe down on the screen to open the search bar and type in CapCut. From the results, tap and hold the CapCut app icon and select Add to Home Screen. Alternatively, keep swiping left till you reach the app library page. Here, the apps are placed in different groups accordingly. For example, entertainment, social and more. Go to the search bar and type in CapCut. Tap and hold the app icon and then select Add to Home Screen. As you can see, the app icon is now added back to the home screen. Following these steps, you can easily add an app back to home screen iPhone.